I received an interesting question from a follower. They are a wet felter and they were wondering how to maintain an even layer of fiber when they were laying out a piece. Now, I am not the most accurate person in all sorts of different areas of my life. But if I am felting a bag, for example, I want to use 3 layers of fiber, and each layer would go completely around a template. So that would mean I would need 6 piles of fiber. I would actually weigh that fiber so that I used an equal amount on each side and within each layer of the bag. And if I'm making a larger piece of felt, such as a wall hanging, I could also decide on how much wool I was going to use. And then I could divide that by the number of layers I was using to create the piece. I might have 2 layers of fiber for a wall hanging, but if I was making a structural rug, I might have 3, 4, or even 5 fine layers of fiber. It all depends on the finished piece. But as a beginner, it's more difficult to work out how much fiber you're going to use. And that's not something that I really am qualified to tell you. But if you've made a piece and that piece is heavy and clunky, I would then suggest that you do the same sized piece the next time with less fiber, and that you weigh your fiber and then you subdivide it into the number of layers that you are intending to lay out. I hope that makes sense. I hope it's helpful for somebody, and it's what I do with my own pieces.